Are you looking for a healthy, delicious, and easy-to-make meal? Introducing the Rainbow Bowl, a recipe designed for health and wellness. The Rainbow Bowl isn't just a feast for your taste buds. It's a symphony of colors, textures, and flavors that come together to create a well-balanced meal. Each ingredient plays a unique role, contributing not just to the taste, but also to the overall nutritional value of the dish. Let's start with the base. The options here include a cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa, or some chopped romaine lettuce or baby spinach. You can even go for half a cup of roasted sweet potato cubes. These ingredients provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy throughout the day. Next, we have the protein. Here's where you can choose either 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast or salmon, half a cup of chickpeas or lentils, or a quarter cup of crumbled tofu. These proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues. As for the veggies, you can add 2 to 3 of your favorites. Perhaps some chopped red bell pepper, broccoli florets, sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, or chopped red onion. Each vegetable brings its own set of vitamins and minerals, contributing to a healthier you. Don't forget the healthy fats. You have the option to add a quarter cup of sliced avocado, a tablespoon of chopped nuts or seeds, or a tablespoon of crumbled feta cheese. These healthy fats provide essential fatty acids for brain function and cell health. And finally, the dressing. This is optional, but if you'd like to add some, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. The dressing adds that extra zing to your Rainbow Bowl. The beauty of the Rainbow Bowl is its flexibility. You can mix and match the ingredients based on your personal preferences and dietary needs. Plus, the variety of colors signifies a variety of health benefits. With the Rainbow Bowl, you have the power to customize a nutritious and satisfying meal that caters to your personal taste and dietary needs. Now let's dive into the preparation process. Remember, you are the chef of your own wellness journey, so feel free to adjust the recipe as needed. First off, let's begin with the base of our Rainbow Bowl. You could go for a cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa, or opt for a cup of chopped romaine lettuce or baby spinach. If you're in the mood for something warm and hearty, half a cup of roasted sweet potato cubes could be your pick. Whichever base you choose, make sure to cook it according to package instructions or roast until tender. Next up, it's time to add some protein. You could choose 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast or salmon. Alternatively, half a cup of chickpeas or lentils could be your pick, or a quarter cup of crumbled tofu. Again, grill or cook your chosen protein until it's done just right. Now let's add some color to our Rainbow Bowl with a selection of vegetables. You could choose 2 or 3 of your favorites from a list that includes red bell pepper, broccoli florets, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, and red onion. Chop and wash your chosen vegetables, and remember, the more color, the better. Then, it's time to add some healthy fats. A quarter cup of sliced avocado could be your pick, or a tablespoon of chopped nuts or seeds like almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds. If you're a cheese lover, a tablespoon of crumbled feta cheese could be just what you need. Lastly, let's prepare the dressing. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add salt and pepper to taste, and your dressing is ready to go. Here's a tip. If you're looking to enhance the flavor of your Rainbow Bowl, consider marinating your protein or roasting your vegetables with spices like garlic powder, cumin, or paprika. And if you're short on time, pre-cook your base or use pre-washed and chopped vegetables. Remember, this recipe is easily customizable. Feel free to add or remove ingredients based on your preferences and dietary needs. And if you have leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. So there you have it. Each ingredient in your Rainbow Bowl has been carefully chosen to provide a balance of taste, texture, and nutrition. But the real magic happens when you bring them all together. And there you have it. Your Rainbow Bowl ingredients are prepped and ready to be assembled. It's time to bring your Rainbow Bowl to life. This is where the magic happens. Imagine this. You've got your chosen base ready. Maybe it's fluffy quinoa or hearty sweet potato cubes. Now, let's layer on the protein. You might have grilled some chicken or salmon, or perhaps you've opted for plant-based protein like chickpeas or tofu. Either way, place it atop your base, letting it settle in comfortably. Next up, it's time to add some crunch with your favorite veggies. Maybe you've got a mix of vibrant red bell pepper, crunchy broccoli florets, and refreshing cucumber slices. Or perhaps you're a fan of sweet cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, and piquant red onion. Scatter them generously over your protein. Now we're rounding things off with some healthy fats. A few slices of creamy avocado, a sprinkle of chopped nuts or seeds, or a crumble of feta cheese will do the trick. These not only add a satisfying richness to your bowl, but also aid in the absorption of vitamins from your veggies. Almost finished. If you've whipped up a dressing, now's the time to drizzle it over your creation. The olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard blend will add a zesty kick, tying all the flavors together beautifully. Voila, your rainbow bowl is complete. But before you dig in, let's take a moment to appreciate the variety of nutrients in your bowl. The beauty of the rainbow bowl lies in its diversity of ingredients, each offering unique health benefits. Let's explore this cornucopia of health benefits. Our base ingredients, brown rice or quinoa, are whole grains that provide complex carbohydrates. These are crucial for sustained energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Leafy greens like romaine lettuce or baby spinach are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for healthy vision, immunity, and blood clotting. Next, we have sweet potatoes, a powerhouse of beta-carotene. This compound converts to vitamin A in the body, playing a pivotal role in maintaining healthy skin and vision. Our protein options, be it chicken, salmon, chickpeas, or lentils, are excellent sources of lean protein. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues, and these ingredients also offer additional benefits. For instance, chickpeas and lentils are rich in fiber, promoting satiety and gut health. Vegetables, the vibrant stars of our bowl, bring a unique blend of vitamins and minerals. Each color signifies a different set of these nutrients, making this bowl a rainbow of health. Lastly, our healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, or feta cheese provide essential fatty acids. These fats are crucial for brain function and cell health. By incorporating the rainbow bowl into your diet, you're nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, your health is wealth. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your meal.